All problems we solved so far were relatively easy. All we had to do was to move the robot in a straight line or make him do a simple turn. It's time for our first challenge. We're going to make our robot friend navigate through a small maze. To do so, we'll have to find the correct path out of the maze before we start coding the solution. In computer science, we use a special word for the solution to a problem. An algorithm is a set of steps that we must follow to solve a problem. For example, the sequence of instructions we give to a robot to reach the goal is an algorithm. We can even compare an algorithm to a cooking recipe. Like a cooking recipe, if we don't apply our algorithm in the correct order, we might end up with some issues. Imagine adding frosting to a cake before it's cooked. We would make a mess. There are also many cake recipes out there, and the same applies to algorithms. We can solve the same problem in many different ways. The job of a programmer is to find the best algorithm for a given problem. Now that we understand what an algorithm is, let's try to find one to get our robot friend to his goal. In your code editor, use the instruction robot.forward, robot.right, and robot.left to get your robot to his goal.